Hey everyone! It is day 32 of doing the FlyLady Baby Steps. I bet you didn't think you'd see me today, but I'm here. So I officially finished the baby steps yesterday. And I know it was a longer video. It's been a long time coming. We're here. It feels great. So what I'm going to do is, for this video, I'm going to start out by showing you where 31 days brought my house. So the video will literally be focusing on the rooms that I was able to do that decluttering in. I still have more decluttering to go. I plan on making a list of the rooms I still need to work on. The reality is I still have a lot of decluttering to do, but I am feeling really good. Now, the other thing is it's officially past the 31 days and my experiment of does the baby steps work? And the baby steps left us thinking about doing the weekly plan, the weekly home blessing. It left us thinking about it. The rules are all in my ball court now, and I'm gonna do my first weekly home blessing. So I'm gonna give you a tour so we can see where we ended 31 days, and that'll also be the starting point for doing the FlyLady system without the baby steps as my guide. So I'm pretty excited. We're gonna do this for a week and then I'll give you a recap. So let's go. so now that you have seen what all got done, which was a lot, I hope you enjoyed those before and afters. And this is day 32, me saying, oh God, I hope I can find all the befores. Anyway, now that you've seen that, I want to just show you the things that I had hoped would get done, but they're not. But hope is not lost, you guys. This system, I have learned some fantastic habits, and these things will eventually get done. I have learned I'm a bit impatient. I've known that since I was 1 year old. I'm a bit impatient, so I had expected to see results like on this stuff sooner, but I know it's coming, and I trust in the FlyLady system. So I'm gonna show you the things I had hoped would be done but are not, but they're good. One, we've got a very dirty window, but I'm not even sure if you can see how smudged up it is. I'm raising bunnies. Took up that funness. And of course, my everyday crumbs from cooking and life. Completely squeaky cleaned bathroom. I'm waiting for it. It's coming. Dust. 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 Adorableness. Dust. Dust. Fingerprints. Soap scum. Dust. This one actually looks pretty decent. Vacuum. And that's just the upstairs. So I still have a long ways to go with the FlyLady system, but day 32 me, I'm still quite happy with what I accomplished in 31 days. And I need to put all my thoughts together fully. So it will be coming soon, but I will give a full review very shortly. But I'm starting a new 7-day period of trying the FlyLady all on my own, and I'm here for it, as I've said before. So let's go.